Circuitrocks order of the day: Thermoelectric Peltier Refrigeration Cooler DC 12 volts kit, heatsink and fan assembly with. This is for people who just want to get cold fast. The 12 volts Peltier module is mounted onto a 12 volts heatsink and fan assembly with thermal paste and an aluminum clamp. Simply connect to 12 volts 5A plus power supply and you will see frost appear on the aluminum plate within a minute. This assembly comes with the best Peltier we could get, so it can get even colder than the standalone module we stock, but we think the price is worth it. Comes with a heatsink, fan, all assembled. You'll need a power supply to power it. We suggest our 12 volts 5A wall adapter. We show a temperature meter in a photo, but that's not included. It's just to show you how cold it gets.